Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on suggest animated emoji on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on this really nice, now click settings and click shot settings, and now you will find stickers and emojis, click on it, and here you will find emoji settings, click on it. Now you will find suggest an animated emoji, just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.